Robert Cialdini's 6 Principles of Influence. Robert Cialdini's 6 Principles of Influence are fundamental concepts in social psychology that explain how people are persuaded. These principles are widely applied in various fields, including marketing, sales, and negotiation. Here's a breakdown. Reciprocity. This principle states that people feel obligated to return favors. If someone does something for you, you are more likely to do something for them in return. Example, offering free samples or gifts to potential customers. Scarcity. People tend to value things more when they are perceived as scarce or limited. Example, limited time offers, or only a few items left, create a sense of urgency. Authority. People are more likely to comply with requests from those they perceive as authority figures. Example, using experts or credentials in advertising. Commitment and consistency. People have a desire to be consistent with their past actions and commitments. Once they make a commitment, they are more likely to follow through. Example, asking people to make small commitments initially, which leads to larger commitments later. Liking. People are more likely to be persuaded by those they like. Factors that influence liking include similarity, compliments, and cooperation. Example, salespeople that build rapport with their clients. Social proof, consensus. People tend to look to others for cues on how to behave, especially in uncertain situations. Example, using testimonials, reviews, or showing that many people have purchased a product. These principles offer valuable insights into human behavior and can be used ethically to influence others.